Step into paradise on the island of Belitung. Belitung Island, located in Indonesia, is a hidden paradise waiting to be explored. Known for its stunning beaches like Tanjung Tinggi and Tanjung Kalayang, this island is a haven for beach lovers and adventure seekers alike. Explore the underwater world while snorkeling or diving in the clear waters, where vibrant coral reefs and diverse marine life await. Ready to uncover the beauty of Belitung? Hit that like button, subscribe for more travel adventures, and let us know in the comments if you'd love to visit this stunning island.